रितेश देशमुख ने जाहिर किया अपना गुस्सा, पेन और फ्रस्ट्रेशन फॉर द गिल्टी इन बदलापुर सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट केस और डिमांड की द हार्शेस्ट पनिशमेंट टू द गिल्टी. To know more, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Actor Ritesh Deshmukh has expressed his shock and anger over the allegedly sexual assault of the two minor girls in Maharashtra's Badlapur. The Badlapur incident has come just 2 days after the horrific rape and murder of a trainee doctor that took place at R.G. Kar Medical College in Kolkata. Ritesh took to his X account on Tuesday and expressed his pain and frustration. He also demanded the harshest punishment for the guilty in the case. In his post, the actor, who is also a parent, wrote, "As a parent, I am absolutely disgusted, pained and raging with anger. Two 4-year-old girls were sexually assaulted by the male cleaning staff member of the school. Schools are supposed to be a safe place for kids as their own homes. Harshest punishment needs to be given to this demon. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in his times gave the guilty what they deserve. Chaurang. We need these laws back in action. #Badlapur crime." रितेश के ये पोस्ट करते ही काफी लोगों ने उनसे कमेंट सेक्शन में अग्री भी किया. As the comments read, any parent is disgusted over such news and no one is bothered. If people like you can raise these issues, so maybe someone will listen. We want justice. So true. Are we heading to no safety anywhere? And also very sad news. The alleged sexual assault of two minor girls at a school in Badlapur, Maharashtra has sparked widespread outrage. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has ordered a high-level probe into the incident and said that a special investigation team had formed to investigate the case and that those found guilty would face strict action. I have taken serious cognizance of the incident in Badlapur. An SIT has already been formed in this matter and we are also going to take action against the school where the incident took place. We are in the process of fast-track this case and no one will be spared if I found guilty. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde told ANI. Maharashtra Deputy CM Devendra Fadnavis ordered the formation of an STI headed by Inspector General of Police level senior IPS officer Aarti Singh to investigate the incident. Shiv Sena Chief Uddhav Thackeray also spoke on the issue and said that the Mahavikas Aghandi government was about to pass the Shakti bill, but his government was toppled by the current Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Earlier in the day, एक बहुत ही massive protest हुआ था बदलापुर रेलवे स्टेशन पे against the sexual assault case of two minors. Protesters blocked tracks, causing a halt in local trains while protesting against the allegedly sexual assault. Incidents of stone pelting were also reported. Following this, a police resorted to lathi charge and tear gas to disperse the protesters. Well, आपको क्या लगता है और कितना टाइम लगेगा जस्टिस मिलने में और क्यों अब तक बॉलीवुड के कई बड़े सेलिब्रिटी शांत हैं और कुछ कर नहीं रहे? Do let us know your views in the comment section below and for more such latest updates do follow our page.